The second series, first group, magical passes belonging to Tasha A. Baylor. The 3 magical passes of this group are geared to gathering energy for the womb from 6 specific areas: the left and right front of the body, the left and right sides of the body at the height of the hips, and from behind the shoulder blades and above the head. The explanation that the shamans of ancient Mexico gave was that energy especially suited for the womb accumulates on those areas, and that the movements of these magical passes are the appropriate antennas that gather that energy exclusively. 1. Extracting energy from the front of the body with the index and middle fingers. The first sensation that a tensegrity practitioner seeks while executing this magical pass is a pressure on the tendons of the back of the hand, a sensation which is obtained by opening the index and middle fingers as far as possible while they are fully extended. The last 2 fingers are curled over the palm of the hand, and the thumb holds them in place, figure 95. The magical pass starts by placing the left foot in front of the body in a T position, perpendicular to the right one. The left arm and the left leg make a series of synchronized forward circling movements. The leg circles by first lifting the ball of the foot, and then the whole foot, and a step is taken that rolls forward in the air and ends on the heel, with the toes up, as the body leans forward, creating pressure on a muscle on the front of the left calf. In synchronization with this movement, the left arm rotates forward over the head, also making a complete circle. The index and middle fingers are fully extended, and the palm faces to the right. The pressure on the tendons of the back of the hand has to be maintained with maximum stress during the entire movement, figure 96. At the end of the third circling movement of the arm and foot, the entire foot is placed on the ground with a forceful stomp, shifting the weight of the body forward. At the same time, the arm shoots out in a stabbing motion, with the index and middle fingers fully extended and the palm of the hand facing right. The muscles of the entire left side of the body are kept tense and contracted, figure 97. An undulating movement is made, as if drawing, with the 2 extended fingers pointing forward, a let wrist that is lying on its side. The wrist is bent so that the fingers point upward once the S is completed, figure 98. Next, the wrist bends so the fingers again point forward and the S is cut in half with a horizontal stroke of the 2 fingers from right to left. Then the wrist is bent so the 2 fingers point upward once more, and a sweeping movement is made from left to right with the palm turned toward the face. The palm of the hand is turned to face outward, as the arm sweeps from right to left. The left arm is retrieved to the level of the chest, and 2 forward stabbing motions are executed with the fingers fully extended and the palm of the hand facing downward. The palm of the hand is turned toward the face once more, and the hand sweeps again from left to right and from right to left, exactly as before. The body leans back slightly, shifting the weight to the back leg. Then the hand, with the 2 fingers curved like a claw, reaches out at waist level in front of the body as if to grab something, contracting the muscles and tendons of the forearm and hand as if forcefully extracting some heavy substance, figure 99. The clawed hand is retrieved to the side of the body. All the fingers of the hand are then fully extended, with the thumb locked and the fingers separated at the middle and 4th fingers, making a letter V, which is brushed over the womb, or over the sexual organs, in the case of men, figure 100. A quick jump is made to shift legs, so that the right foot is in front of the left one, again making a T. The same movements are repeated with the right arm and leg. 2. Jumping to stir energy for the womb and grabbing it with the hand. This magical pass begins by placing the right foot perpendicular to the left one in a T position. A tap is made with a right heel. This tap serves as an impulse for a small hop of the right foot which ends with the right toes pointing forward, followed immediately by a 1-step lateral hop of the left foot that ends with the left heel on the ground, perpendicular to the right foot. The rest of the left foot touches the ground, shifting the weight to the left leg, as the left arm moves in a grabbing motion to clasp something in front of the body with a clawed hand, figure 101. The hand then rubs gently on the area of the left ovary. A tap of the left heel serves as an impulse for a sequence of movements that is a mirror image of the preceding ones. Energy stirred up by the motion of the feet in this magical pass bounces upward, is caught with each hand in turn, and is placed over the uterus and the left and the right ovaries. 3. Slapping energy on the ovaries. The third magical pass begins by circling the left arm over the head, to the back, in toward the shoulder blades, and out again to the front until it reaches the level of the chin, the palm faces up. The hand draws another circle that goes up and over toward the right, it continues downward, all the way to the right waist and then sweeps upward over the head, completing the figure of a number 8. The palm flips to face the front, figure 102. Then the hand descends forcefully, as if slapping the area just in front of the left ovary, figure 103. The hand then brushes gently on the area of the left ovary. The same pattern is repeated with the right arm.